एंटर बॉलीवुड सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in।
कहते हैं behind every successful man there is a woman, but in Amar's case there are two. On degree number 1 we have Reena Datta and Kiran Rao. जी हाँ, Amar Khan's ex-wife and his current wife, who have both been very important influences on his life. Amar और Reena had quite a fairy tale romance, and दोनों एक दूसरे को बचपन से जानते थे. They were teenage sweethearts. और जब Amar 21 साल के हुए, he went and proposed to Reena. Their families were against their relationship क्योंकि they belonged to two different religions, but the love-struck couple eloped and had a registered wedding. QSQT के रिलीज के बाद जब ये बात सामने आई, तो it was a sensational piece of news. Reena even made a small guest appearance in Amar's film QSQT in पापा कहते हैं. And though she was married to a big star, Reena always kept a low profile और शादी के बाद भी वो एक travel agency में काम करती रही. The two were married for almost 15 years and they have 2 children together, Junaid और Ira. Ironically, फिल्मी दुनिया से दूर रहने वाली Reena लगान की एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर थी और इसी फिल्म के सेट्स पर किरण राव began working as an AD. Their marriage was supposedly on the rocks by now, and according to sources, लगान पे काम करना was Reena's way of giving their marriage a last shot. लेकिन होनी को कौन टाल सकता है? इस फिल्म के बाद the two split और 2002 में they filed for divorce in a family court. उनका सेपरेशन बॉलीवुड के लिए काफी शॉकिंग था. कहते हैं कि दोनों के बीच डिफरेंसेस इतने ज्यादा बढ़ गए थे कि रीना और आमिर ने म्यूचुअली अलग हो जाने का फैसला किया. But there were many rumors flying around about the reason for the divorce. और उनमें से एक ये भी था that Amir had a bit of a roving eye. और तो और कहा तो ये भी जाता है कि आमिर खान के उनकी फीमेल को स्टार्स पूजा भट्ट, ममता कुलकर्णी, रानी मुखर्जी और प्रीति जिंटा से अफेयर्स भी रह चुके थे. खैर, डिवोर्स के जो भी रीजंस रहे हों, दोनों के सेपरेशन के बाद आमिर खान स्टार्टेड डेटिंग किरण राव, जिन्हें वो लगान के सेट पे मिले थे. And the two were seeing each other for a while. जिसके बाद they exchanged vows in a very private ceremony. मीडिया को आमिर और किरण की शादी से रखा गया miles and miles away. And though several high-profile celebrities attended their wedding, ये रहा एक very private affair. In a true Amir Khan style, the two collaborated on Kiran Rao's Dhobi Ghat, जिसे आमिर ने प्रोड्यूस किया, and he also played an important role in the film. She is part of Amir Khan Productions और इसी नाते से वो आमिर के फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स में भी इन्वॉल्व हैं. आमिर एंड रीना का सेपरेशन भले ही बिटर रहा हो, but the two have now become friends again. She was seen at the premiere of 3 Idiots और आमिर खुद ये कहते हैं कि कोई भी इम्पोर्टेंट फैसला लेने से पहले she is one of the people whose opinion he takes and values. Well, now that's called handling separation gracefully. Reena Datta as his supportive ex-wife and Kiran Rao as Amir's better half हैं. आमिर खान की डिग्री नंबर 1.